self-destruction. Today's topic, self-destruction. Today's topic, self-destruction. Today's topic, self-destruction.
I laugh at life, keep cracking my jokes. I cannot panic, cry or get mad if I'm broke. Won't be sad to die from the packet I smoke. Won't quit when cancer's attacking my throat. Fuck healthy diets, herbivore lies. You jerks at the gym that work on your size. I prefer to eat nothing but burgers or fries. I a nerdy death and live a third of your lives. Fast food fanatic, I'ma keep on eating. Even when my heart and arteries are screaming. Even when there's a solid stream of grease in my veins, making it hard to keep on breathing. I don't care, I'm young and I'm unaware. Call me childish, I'll just cover my fucking head. Fill my cup with another beer, cause who could truly guarantee he won't be gone in a couple years? Yeah. A few 40s at New Year's. Now I need more than a few beers. There's always excuses. Pour me the brew tears. Pour me 4 little shooters in the morning. Like who cares? And I never sip sodas. I drink 20 Coronas, leave no leftovers. The goal is to get less and less sober. Let my soul give it to the devil on my left shoulder. I drink more, feel less drunk, and that's funny. My body reacts like I'm unimpressed. Dummy, yes, sonny, I got less and less money ever since the bartender has become my best buddy. Get home late, sleep on the couch and my clothes on. Soon get kicked out the house by my own mom. Why use my hand? I choose to beg God for food, buy booze instead. Fuck yeah.
Topic self-destruction. Today's topic self-destruction. Today's topic self-destruction. Today's topic.
Fill your belly with junk.
Fill your belly with junk.
Sparkanella or blunt.
Sparkanella or blunt.
Party hard till your heart gets real and it jumps.
Party hard till your heart gets real and it jumps.
Y'all should always yell and get drunk before you end up like everybody else. Body smelling the skunk, feel that adrenaline. I'm never gonna pipe it down. Live for the present cause your life is now. We're all destined to die somehow, so quit being scared. Stare deaf in the eyes and smile before bugs and worms turn to your guts and squirm. I don't wanna be buried, I don't want to earn. Brother, please cremate me when my body's stuck and firm. We don't need no water, let that motherfucker burn. Don't yearn, don't cry when I'm gone. I don't remember or honor my name or petty persona. Just scatter my ashes wherever you wanna. Roll me up or smoke me up like I'm marijuana. One.